ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 10-33 अक्षराणाम अकारोस्मि प्लस 10-34 मृत्युस्सर्वहरश्चाहम्। अक्षराणाम अकारोस्मि द्वन्द्वः सामासिकस्य च। अक्षराणाम अकारः अस्मि द्वन्द्वः सामासिकस्य च। अहमेवाक्षयः कालो धाताहं विश्वतो मुखः। अहम एव अक्षयः कालः धाता अहम विश्वतो मुखः। मृत्युस्सर्वहरश्चाहम् उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम्। मृत्युः सर्वहरः च अहम् उद्भवः च भविष्यताम्। कीर्तिश्रीर्वाक् च नारीणां स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिक्षमा। कीर्तिः श्रीः वाक् च नारीणां स्मृतिः मेधा धृतिः क्षमा। अक्षराणाम् अकारः अस्मि सामासिकस्य द्वन्द्वः च अस्मि। अहम् एव अक्षयः कालः अहं विश्वतो मुखः धाता अहं सर्वहरः मृत्युः च भविष्यताम् उद्भवः च। नारीणां कीर्तिः श्रीः वाक् स्मृतिः मेधा धृतिः क्षमा च अस्मि। अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यास। अहम् अक्षराणाम् अकारः अस्मि। अहम् अस्मत् सर्वनाम प्रथमा एकवचनम्। अक्षराणाम् अक्षर विशेषणम्। अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं षष्ठी बहुवचनम्। अक्षर एडजेक्टिव न क्षरति इति अक्षरम्। क्षर चलने अच् नए तत्पुरुष। इम्पेरिशेबल इनडिजायरेबल indestructible, undecaying, epithet of the supreme as well as the individual soul. Dvavimo purusho loke ksharaschaksharevacha. Ksharas sarvani bhutani kutasthoksara uchyate. This is from the 15th chapter of Gita. Yasmat ksharamatiitoham aksharaadapi chottamah atosmi loke vede cha prathita purushottamah. Again 15-18. The unconcerned spirit Aksharam Brahma Paramam. This was in Bhagavad Gita 8-3. Fixed, firm, unalterable. Aksharam. Ash Saraha. Ashehe Saraha. Ashnute Vyapnoti Vedadi Shastrani. A letter of the alphabet. Aksharanam Akarosmi. Same verse has been quoted. A syllable. Ekaksharam Param Brahma. Giramasmekam Aksharam. In the same chapter, 10-25. A word or verse. So, different meanings. So, here the meaning of this context is a letter of the alphabet. Akshara. And then Akaraha. Akara. Pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Akara. Adjective. Karoti iti karaha. Krug hai anva nai tatpurusha. Not doing or acting. Void of action. Kriya rahitaha. That is the meaning as an adjective. But here, akaraha asmi. Akaraha, the letter A. Aksharanam akarosmi. Same verse has been quoted. Samasikasya cha dvandvaha. Samasikasya. Samasika visheshanam. Atra napusakalingam shashti ekvachanam. Samasika adjective. Samasiki feminine. A comprehensive, comprehending the whole, collective, condensed, concise, brief, and then relating to a compound word, compounded, samasikani, the whole class of compounds. Dvandvaha samasikasya cha. Same verse has been quoted. Dvandvaha. Dvandva. So, samasika cha, samasikani, the whole class of compounds. And among them dvandvaha. Dvandva, pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Dvandvam, dvau dvau sahabhivyaktav. This is as per Panini Sutram 8-1-15. Pair, couple, a couple of animals, etc. couple of two things, dvandva, a couple of opposite conditions of quality, such as sukha and dukkha, shita and ushna, balavati hi dvandvanam pravritti. So like that there are many dvandvani across Gita itself. So here dvandvaha in grammar, one of the four principal kinds of compounds in which two or more words are joined together, which if not compounded would stand in the same case and be connected by the copulative conjunction and. Charthe dvandvaha. This is from Panini Sutram 2-2-29. Dvandva samasika same verse has been quoted. Ubhay pada pradhano dvandvaha kashika. Ahameva akshaya kalah. Aham akshaya. Akshaya visheshanam. Atra pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Akshaya adjective. Na asti kshayaha yasya. Undecaying, exempt from decay, imperishable, undying, unfailing, inexhaustible. Kalaha. Kala, Pulingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Kalaha, time in general. So time is inexhaustible, Akshaya. And that Akshaya Kalaha is me. Aham Vishwato Mukhaha Dhata. Vishwato Mukhaha. Vishwato Mukha. Visheshanam. Pulingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Vishwataha Mukham Yasya Saha. Vishwato Mukha. Bahuvrihi. Vishwataha. Vishwa सर्वनामिकम सर्वनाम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम पंचमी एकवचनम. विश्व प्रोनोमिनल एडजेक्टिव. विश्व ऑल, होल, एंटायर, यूनिवर्सल. स सर्वनामाच विश्व सच विश्वरूपः. दिस इज फ्रॉम भागवतम. एंड देन विश्व masculine plural name of a particular group of deities, then in 10 in number and supposed to be sons of Vishwa. Oh, their names are Vasuhu Satyah, Kraturdakshaha, Kala, Kamo, Dhrutih Kuruhu, Purutva, Pururava, Madravascha, Vishvedeva Prakirtitaha. Oh, they are the Vishvedeva. Deva Sadhya Satha Vishve Tathaiva cha Maharshayah. Vishwam, the universe, the whole world. Vishwaha, the soul. Interestingly, Shabdakalpadrume Vishwataha. Vishwas, Vishwataha, that Visarga is Vishwatas. Vishwa plus Tasil. Sarvataha iti amaratika. Mukham, mukha napusaklingam prathama ekvachanam. Khan ach dit dhatoho purvam mukya. The mouth, figuratively also. The face, the countenance. So like that Chandramukhi. And then what all do a mukha, what all does a mukha contain or comprise of? Osthaucha danta mulani, danta jivhacha talucha, galo galadi sakalam, saptangam mukha uchyate. Mukha is said to be containing of saptanga, 4 component organs. The snout or muzzle of any animal, of that also is mukha. The front, van, 4-part, head, top. So Vishwato Mukham. One who is facing the universe. One who has universal appeal, Vishwato Mukha. Dhata, Dhatru, Visheshanam. Atra pullinga prathama ekvachanam. Dha dhatoh truch visheshanam dhatru. So masculine pullingam prathama ekvachanam means dhata. Dhatruch, a maker, creator, originator, author. So aham dhata. I am the one who holds, who arranges, one who nourishes. Aham sarvaharaha mrityuh cha. Sarvaharaha. Sarvahara विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथम एकवचनं. सर्वान् हरति इति सर्वहरः. Who takes away all. अथवा सर्वं हरति इति सर्वहरः. One who takes everything of everybody. So सर्वेषां सर्वं हरति इति सर्वहरः. मृत्युः, death. पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथम एकवचनं. भविष्यताम् उद्भवः च. भविष्यतां, भविष्यत् विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं नपुंसकलिङ्गं वा षष्ठी बहुवचनं. भविष्यत्, भविष्यति और भविष्यन्ति फेमिनिन. अबाउट टू बी, बिकम और कम टू पास, द फ्यूचर टाइम, भविष्यत्. उद्भवः, उद्भव पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथम एकवचनं. उद्भवः प्रोडक्शन, क्रिएशन, बर्थ, generation, or better to say Udbhava, the genesis. I am the genesis of the future, of everything that is to come in the future. So Mrityus sarvaharashchaham udbhavascha bhavishyataam. Same verse as in quoted. Narinam kirtihi shrihi vak smritihi medha dhrutihi kshama cha. Narinam, nari, स्त्रीलिंगम षष्ठी बहुवचनम. नारी नृ नर वा जातौ नीश इति निरुक्तम्. अ वुमन. अर्थतः पुरुषो नारी. या नारी सार्थतः पुमान्. वाह. Any female or feminine object. अर्थतः पुरुषो नारी. This is an interesting quote. Arthatah. Significantly speaking, Purushaha Nari. Purusha also is Nari. Ya Nari Sarthataha Puman. Or that woman who is full of capability, Sarthataha. She is like a man. Sa Nari. या नारी सार्थतः सा पुमान. She has manliness in her. Wow. So अर्थतः पुरुषो नारी, या नारी सार्थतः पुमान. और या नारी सार्थतः, one who is accompanied by a nari, and hence one who is supported by a nari, he. So they say that behind every man's success there is a woman. So ya nari sartatha puman exactly means that. Wow. Kirtihi, Shri, fame. Shrihi, Strilingam, glory. Vak, Strilingam, speech. Smritihi, Strilingam, Prathamaikvachanam, memory. Medha, Strilingam, Prathamaikvachanam, intellect. Dhrutihi, Strilingam, Prathamaikvachanam, fortitude. Kshama, Strilingam, Prathamaikvachanam, tolerance, pardon. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Aham aksharanam akaraha asmi. Among letters, I am the letter A. Samasikacha dvandvaha. Among compoundings, I am the type dvandvaha. Aham eva akshayaha kala. Among the endless ones, I am time. Aham vishwato mukhaha dhata. I am the supporter with universal outlook. Outlook, vishwato mukha. Aham sarvaharaha mrityuh. I am death that takes all away and takes away all. Bhavishyatam udbhavacha. I am the genesis of everything that is to come. Narinam kirtihi shrihi vak smritihi medha dhrutihi kshamacha. Among the feminines, I am fame, glory, speech, intellect, fortitude, dhruti, and pardon, kshama. Aksharanam akarosmi. Same verse has been quoted. Chanda Vishleshana. Actually, this line I have already taken here. I thought it was not taken there. Anyway, Aksharanam akarosmi. Ashtakshani. Makaro. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे द्वन्द्वस्सामासिकस्य च अष्टक्षाणि सिकस्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अहमेवाक्षयः कालो अष्टक्षाणि क्षयः का एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे धाताहं विश्वतो मुखः अष्टक्षाणि श्वतोमु एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अस्मिन् दशमे अध्याये 33तमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः मृत्युस्सर्वहरश्चाहम् अष्टक्षाणि हरश्च एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम् अष्टक्षाणि भविष्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका कीर्तिश्रीर्वाक्च नारीणाम् अष्टक्षाणि क्षनारी एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिक्षमा धृतिक्ष एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अस्मिन् दशमे अध्याये 34तमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्याय notes of self study. The pattern of pairs of words in Shashti Bahuvachanam and Prathamaik Dvivachanam continues here, but only in Aksharanam Akaraha and in Bhavisyatam Udbhava. And in Narinam, Kirtihi, etc. Basically, all 7 Vakyamshaha are statements of what I am, Aham Asmi. The running total of Aham Asmi statements is by now 52. Although there is no Shashti Bahuvachanam in Samasikasya Dvandvaha, Akshayaha Kalaha, in Vishwato Mukhaha Dhataha, in Sarvaharaha Mrityuhu, yet Akshayaha, Vishwataha and Sarvaharaha have expanse and comprehensiveness of Bahuvachanam. Even the word Samasikasya has inclusiveness for everything that is Samasika and all types of compounds, Samasikas. So, it has sort of Bahuvachanam implicit in these statements also. Note in the phrase Samasikasya Dvandvaha, that is Dvandvaha is that kind of compounding wherein the component words have equal weightage. Ubhay pradhano dvandva, ubhay pada pradhano dvandvaha. Sri Krishna Bhagavan seems to be suggesting that he does not distinguish, he being Dvandvaha Samasikasya, he does not distinguish between him and his devotees. This is endorsement of the philosophy of non-dualism, Advaitavada. The mention Ahameva Akshayaha Kalaha brings to mind Kalah Kalayatam Aham in 10-30. As such, Mrityuh Sarvaharashchaham in 10-34 also has the synonym Kalaha. Of course, meaning of Kalaha has all the 3 shades. Akshayaha, what is endless, Kalayat, what is ever-changing, Sarvaharaha Mrityu, what denotes end of everything, that is perishable. That gives an idea how succinct every statement is. So it comes to mind that in the statement Aham Narinam Kirtihi, Shrihi, Vak, Smritihi, Medha, Dhritihi, Kshamacha, the word Narinam is not to be understood to mean that I am the faculties, these Kirtihi, Shrihi, Vak, Smritihi, Medha, Dhriti, Kshamacha, as these would be in women only. The actual meaning is that I am these faculties whoever the person is. Whoever the person is. The Sanskrit words for these faculties are feminine. So Narina means all those faculties for which the words are feminine. This brings to mind the quotes in Devi Suktam. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu dash rupena samsthita namastasyai 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 namo namaha. May I quote the complete Devi Suktam obtained from this particular reference, drukpanchanga.com. Atha Tantroktam Devi Suktam. I would like to read it all. नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः। नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणताः स्मतां। रौद्रायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्यै धात्र्यै नमो नमः। ज्योत्स्नायै चेन्दुरूपिण्यै सुखायै सततं नमः। कल्पाण्यै प्रणतां बुद्ध्यै सिद्ध्यै कुर्मो नमो नमः। नैऋत्यै भूभृतां लक्ष्म्यै शर्वाण्यै ते नमो नमः। दुर्गायै दुर्गपारायै सारायै सर्वकारिण्यै ख्यात्यै तथैव कृष्णायै धूम्रायै सततं नमः। अतिसौम्यातिरौद्रायै नतास्तस्यै नमो नमः। नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठायै देव्यै कृत्यै नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शब्दिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चेतनेत्यभिधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षुधारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तृष्णारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। Now this mention, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu, Lajja-rupena samsita. One has some reservation about oneself when behaving with others, and so Lajja is one way an essential faculty. So like that, one can do detailed musing on each one of these quotes, and so the whole entire quote together becomes an interesting read. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता. Wow. The motherhood, the motherly aptitude, the motherly faculties. Even fathers have the motherly instinct toward the children. They are not just fathers, they have the motherly instinct. There are so many single fathers who look after their children like their mother also. So, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matrurupena Samsthita Namastasye 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 Namo Namah. What a beautiful quote. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Bhrantirupena Samsthita Namastasye 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 Namo Namah. Indriyanam Adhishtatri Bhutanam Chakuleshu Ya Bhuteshu Satatam Tasyai Vyapti Devyai Namo Namah. Chitirupena Ya Krutznam एतद्व्याप्य स्थिता जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। सुतासूर्वैः पूर्वम् अभीष्ट संश्रया तथा सुरेन्द्रेण दिनेषु सेविता। करोतु सा नः शुभहेतुरीश्वरी शुभानि भद्राण्यभिहन्तु चापदा। या साम्प्रतं चोद्धतदैत्यतापितैः अस्माभिरीशा च सुरैर्नमस्यते। या च स्मृता तत्क्षणमेव हन्ति नः सर्वापदो भक्ति विनम्रमूर्तिभिः इति तंत्रोक्तम देवी सूक्तम समाप्तम. This Devi Suktam makes such a good prayer that all these faculties be bestowed upon us. Shubhamastu.